Hi Bestie, in today's video I'll be doing an unboxing of Cloth and Paper's 10th year anniversary intention subscription box. If that interests you, hopefully you decide to stay along. The size that I subscribe to is CP Petite. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Hi, Bestie. Welcome to my page. If you're new here, my name is Miss Virgo, also known as Karen. So glad that you're here with me for today's unboxing. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So I will unbox everything that came in this intention box. And at the end, I will let you know if I have anything that I like in this particular box that I can actually use. So my top items from out of this box this month, I will have to say I love the Circle Page Flag Trio. I love the designs and the color of that. I love the pen. Typically, I don't like the pens in the attention box, but I absolutely loved it. I'm looking forward to journaling and utilizing that pen, and I definitely will purchase another one of those. And I absolutely love the Undated inserts because we got 6 different styles that I can test out for the next 6 months of this year to help me come up with a decision of what inserts would suit my needs for 2026. So thank you so much for joining me in my unboxing of Cloth and Papers June 2025 10th year anniversary subscription. Let me know what's your favorite item in the comments. Toodles!